Hey chickies, thanks for hanging out today and hope you guys are having a great start to the week. Today we're going to be chatting all about the October Boxycharm. This is the $25 a month monthly subscription inside your guaranteed 5 full-size items. So I hope you'll join me for today's video. If you're new here, I'm Christine, curate beauty, lifestyle, as well as raw vlogs. Greatly appreciate it if you please subscribe to my channel. Would absolutely love it if you'd be a part of the Chickie crew. Also, don't forget to hit that bell to be notified of new videos. So today we're going to be unboxing the October Boxycharm. This is their base box, which is $25 a month. Just to let you know, this was sent to me for reviewing purposes from Boxycharm. However, you know, if I like an item, if I don't like an item, I definitely let you know the deal. So let's just get to unboxing this. This month's theme is called Candy Shop, which I think is very appropriate because it's Halloween this month. And just a little heads up, I do have variation 22. Let's first start with some lashes. I love me some lashes, and this is from the brand Blvd Lashes. Premium foam ink lashes, and the style is called Charm. These look really pretty and fluttery. Is this lash glue? What is this? Let's see, because there's like something underneath it. Oh, no, it's not. It's not. It comes with like a little guide on how to apply the lashes. That's actually very interesting. At the top right up here, it says seduce with one glare. Our charm style blends seamlessly with your natural lashes and adds the perfect amount of glam to any look. And this retails for $19.99. So, you know, I love a pair of foam ink lashes, especially ones that feel nice and soft like this. Next in the box is from the brand Dose of Colors. And what exactly is this? It's 11 light medium, meet your hue, full coverage. Is it a yes, it's a concealer. Light medium. Is this like my shade? Oh shoot, that looks really light. That does. Hold on. But I think, yeah, this is gonna be, that's really light for me. So I'm gonna have to mix this with something else. Let me get my other concealer that I'm using right now, which is Natural Beige from Too Faced. I can definitely make it work. This is the one from Dose of Colors, and this is the one from Too Faced. Consistency seems pretty nice and lightweight. We'll have to test it out for sure. Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue Concealer. This multitasking full coverage concealer has a lightweight, easy to blend formula. It conceals dark under eye circles, blemishes, and other skin imperfections, and this retails for $24. Next, we have here from the brand Sol de Janeiro, and this is called Brazilian Kiss Tinted Capuaca Lip Butter, and the shade is called Teeny Bikini. Wow, look at this packaging. That is so pretty, right? I love that. Oh, it smells good. Ooh, this looks like a really pretty shade. It's a lip butter, so it is very faint. Peachy corally lip butter. So let's read about this. This is a soft tinted lip treatment that pampers lips with a delicious blend of Capuaca butter, acai, and coconut oils. Cushiony, soft, and super conditioning for lip-loving benefits that transform dry, rough lips into your most kissable. And this retails for $20. I mean, packaging alone on this is super pretty. I know I'm going to be displaying this for sure. I'm extremely happy this was in my box because, especially with the colder, drier months coming up, I know my lips are definitely going to need all of the hydration it can get. Next in the box, we have this thing right here. Let's open it. Okay, and oh, it's from Luxie. That is so pretty. I like this little case. What do we have? Oh, brushes. I love Luxie brushes. A tapered blending brush. Ooh, their bristles are super soft. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. The brow and lash medium angled shading brush, and I love using this type of brush, especially their brushes for contouring the nose. It's like the perfect shape just to like get right in there to snatch the nose up. This is the large shader brush. And then lastly, 237 blending brush. And this would actually be great, especially like right in that inner eye corner area. I love how these have the periwinkle handles. This is called the Luxie Wonderlust set. Create eye-catching looks with this 5-piece rose gold synthetic brush set. Stash them in your Luxie pouch for glam on the go, and this retails for $40. From the brand Ciate, this is the Editor palette. Okay, let's open this up. Wow, these are beautiful shadows. Those are gorgeous. Inspired by New England in fall, this palette features super soft and blendable shadows in a mix of richly pigmented autumnal hues. Mix and match the metallic glitters and mattes for effortless eye looks. And this retails for $32. So we received 5 full-size products: the lashes, the brush set with the pouch, the concealer, which is like right here. Then we have the lip butter and the eyeshadow palette. And to be quite honest with you, this is probably one of the best Boxycharm boxes I've received in quite some time, where I'm really happy with everything because I know I can utilize all of these items. Even though the concealer, you know, it is a tad bit too light, like a little bit too light, but we can definitely still make it work. We'll be filming a makeup tutorial using the palette and all the items that are in this box, but I think I'm gonna have it up on my reels on Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure that you do. If you received Boxycharm, I'm curious to know what was in your box. Did we receive the same items or did we get completely different things? I would love to know. So I hope you enjoyed hanging out today and found this video helpful. If you did, please make sure you give it a like. Subscribe if you have not already. Would love for you to be part of the Chicky crew. Thank you, Chickies, so much for watching. Stay safe and healthy, and I will see you in the next video. Mwah.